Hey everyone, my name is Tua. I'm glad you guys are watching this because we have something very exciting to show you guys. We will be doing something very different this time. We will be blasting a Firefighter helmet. So the plan is to remove the leftover paint and contaminants off this helmet to see if we could bring it back to life. Now you guys have seen how the helmet actually looks. Now it's time to go ahead and put it in one of our machines and see the after results afterwards. Stay tuned and I will see you in a bit. In this process, I used 220 mesh aluminum oxide to remove the leftover paint and the residue off the helmet. This actually took a lot longer than I thought it would because there was another layer of paint that I had to remove. Overall, the wet blasting process was a success. Don't forget to like and follow us on our social media. And if you guys have any questions or suggestions, please drop a comment below. Thank you for watching.